I'm Dave.
I'm Nick.
And with the help of over 1,200 people around the world, we were able to kickstart the Hooky keychain.
The Hooky is a keychain designed for easy access and all-day comfort.
The Hooky is similar to a carabiner because you wear it on your belt loop.
It's different than a carabiner in that it doesn't have any moving parts that can break or fray your pants over time.
The aluminum Hooky is lightweight and has a finish that resembles a MacBook Pro.
The brass Hooky is a more durable, slightly heavier keychain made from hardy naval brass.
The brass Hooky is great if you work with cameras because of its unique tripod tool.
If you're looking for a bottle opener, the Hooky's probably not for you.
If you don't wear pants, the Hooky is probably not for you.
If, however, you want to add comfort, class, and convenience to how you carry your keys, consider the Hooky.
The designer keychain with a brand new spin.
Hey guys, Brad here. This will be my 10th Kickstarter project, so I just want to say thank you all for the support. And to kick it off, I figured we'd go kind of big. I guess this is kind of small. So this project is a utility knife style keychain. Did you see that? It just sucked in. So it's got magnetic retraction and retention. So the blade will never come out on your keychain. You can swing it around, do what you need. It's not going to come off. It's a 1/2 inch thickness this way, 1/4 inch thick this way. These marks are not just grip. They are 1/8 inch increments. And on this side is 1 centimeter increments. So it's similar to my WTF and my tie key and a few other things where I put notches in there. I chose, this is just a number 11 X-Acto blade, so you can buy it anywhere. One cool thing is it says USA on the blade. This is totally prototype. I already forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah. I chose for the blade not to come all the way out for a couple reasons. One, it comes out a 1/2 inch only, and I did that. I'm gonna have to edit this video because who needs the whole inch of blade? Also, this makes it stronger, so you can, really push on something. What else should I say? It's got a huge lanyard loop, so it'll fit all keychains, and it's designed in this shape so that way it can come up and around when it's on your keys, and when you want to go use it, you can put it up here, pull your keys up, and you can use your keys as part of the handle, and then you can, do your cutting. At certain angles, like upside down, the blade will stay out. There's like an exact magnetic force going on there, but you turn like that and it sucks in. It's mostly a safety feature that this doesn't lock out. So if you're going to use it, you pretty much got to keep your thumb there, which isn't a big deal. I mean, it cuts good. I don't know why I got this out, because it's too far away. What else? I just got a little grip here. It's kind of neat. This could change a little bit. We'll see how that goes. It'll probably be chamfered a little more. This is literally the first one I made on my Tormach mill. These will be made on my Robo drill mill. If any of you follow me on Instagram or YouTube, you can see that. So I think this is pretty much the first Kickstarter video well, this will be the 10th project, so on the other 9 that I've actually sat down and talked to you guys. I'm probably going to make a short page, just a couple pictures, maybe a GIF, doing that, or GIF, whatever it's called.
It is incredible how much we rely on weather forecasts and so-called local temperatures. The truth is that those values available online or through apps come from weather stations that can easily be dozens of miles away. Nothing beats measuring the values by yourself, right where you are. But that's just not possible and silly. So, we have created the world's smallest weather station that can easily fit in your palm. Simply plug WeatherPoint into your device and start the app. Simple as that. It consists of 4 sensors for temperature, humidity, atmospheric pressure, and ultraviolet radiation. With this information, you can have the most accurate weather forecast anywhere you are. Also, by measuring atmospheric pressure, you can know your altitude more precisely than GPS devices. You can also measure UV radiation and limit your exposure to these harmful UV rays. The housing is made from aluminium and titanium and ensures longer lifetime. When you're not using WeatherPoint, it is safely placed on your keychain, so you don't have to worry about losing it. WeatherPoint doesn't use a battery. Well, who likes them anyway? It doesn't even require internet connection.